Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to enable or disable dark mode on a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, S22 Plus and S22 device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap on a settings. Tap on a display. Here you can see by default set light theme. Tap on a dark to set a dark theme on your Samsung Galaxy device. Pull down notification panel. You can see dark background on your phone. Now you can see dark background. You can also tap on a dark mode settings. Here you can set turn on a schedule. If you want to automatically set dark mode enable or disable, you can choose sunset to sunrise. For sunset to sunrise, make sure turn on device location on your device or set custom schedule. Set schedule. Select start the time, main time you want to set. Tap on a done. To automatically set schedule turn on dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. You can also quickly enable disable. Swipe down notification panel at the top. Swipe screen left. Here you can see dark mode option. Tap on it to turn on dark mode. Tap on it to turn off dark mode on your device. It's quite easy. That's it. If you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.